Hello, just thought I'd take this opportunity to talk to you a little bit about the Hot Wheels Jump Airport. This is the box it comes in, and the finished item. It's the normal Hot Wheels standard, quite well put together, clips well, and when the batteries are running, these two aeroplanes rotate around each other. Cars come in from this direction, it's picked up by this aircraft, and this aircraft comes down, picks up the other car, drops it down into this area which has a small spring-loaded trapdoor, and then you can choose which direction the car goes down, or either around the back, ready to be fed in again for another go, or down onto another unit that you might connect it onto. There is one flaw though with this system, in that it's the way that the batteries work for this unit. The batteries sit in a container like this, and you need to clip this unit in to the bottom base there. Of course, when you do that, the battery cover is now completely obscured by the base and it's locked into position, so you can't get the batteries out again. Batteries we found lasted for about 2 to 3 days of pretty intensive use. However, they are going to need replacing at some point. So there's no real method of being able to get this unit out. Obviously it's been designed to lock in so that the whole rotating structure is secure. And if you look underneath, there are 2 tabs here. The way that we found to get the unit out, is to prise the black tabs that are just here, part of the base unit, slightly apart, and ease, that's with a flat bladed screwdriver, and ease the top unit out, and then do the same on the other side. And that removes the unit for you. Not ideal, and over time I can see that these black tabs will get damaged, maybe break, and of course when that does happen, this whole top unit will then be pretty insecure. Here's with the battery cover, unscrew, lift up the cover and remove the old ones before replacing with a new set. So we found that the batteries lasted, a normal set of these style U2s lasted for about 3 days of particularly intensive usage, and then screw the cover back up again. So not really up to the normal Hot Wheels standards. The other differences that we've seen between this and some older Hot Wheels things we've used are the tabs here. They're moulded into the main unit. They're not as flexible as the normal blue plastic connectors that you have. That's good because it supports it, but equally when you try and get the track off, it's a bit harder. And as you can see here, this is one that we've already attached, and it's proving very difficult to remove, so we've just decided to leave it on for the purposes of this video, but it's not included in the normal kit. Otherwise it's quite an exciting, dynamic, moving system that you can use with the Hot Wheels cars, and certainly the youngsters in our household will enjoy it. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and this is what it looks like when the system's running.